Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Nginwan ramangi Hakerdob ying jongpi
Uminti rang ba jong Zilla ukon rat ke sangma hash potri guna pra arjar posau lepin mana ba sarkar Zilla kladap mang pisa ban Pynheh yek Surok Weiloi Mawkyrwat hagzinot kabakot kumba Shispa Klur kebrayo lingba ke World Bank MITP 2 road project ha kabasyan tang shudap penkre ke detail project report on sakatan dana Hakajo kapor uminti rang ba lepin benaru ba ke sarkar Zilla klatre shitam haduk kata-kata ban kinti ki kam jungok kai Pynheh ki ban peliru shibun ba kilat yok kam yok jam yaki samla beklam kam klem jam bat kumda ke sarkar Zilla klai telang ba ki dor ba shnong ringkat ki trai kindo nak bentaban kintiu yaki kam jungok kai Pynheh ha South West Khasi Hills District Shushu minti rang ba lepin bena basyan ke sarkar kan zakhat tender na benta ke Wake Resort hanong na kebajingan lai 4 kilometer na ke Shnong Mawkyrwat ha kejinut ke bakot arpusan Klur na ke bentaban kintiu yaki kam jungok kai Pynheh ha kani kathan Uminti rang ba lepin bena ya kani ha bekran ke bukongsan ha kejingalang pinkut yaki jingrang ke Jubilee Ksar jaga Nativity Higher Secondary School kablalong ha Mawkyrwat pad ha kejo kapor lepin bena ban ai jingyaram arpusan lang kum kejing no senyang na ke Chief Minister Special Development Fund jaga Nativity Higher Secondary School ban Shna Pynheh ya ke ying school
Yo kumbanga ai jingkrani kena school hagapor assembly. Kane ke school nadu basdang kalong ka model. Lane kanuk saya barok kini school hakini di Jaka. Bat ki kena jongi kele priang subha priang burom kat bawan kiri sarkar haman laki Jaka. Nila don ke uniform ka kemi kanang bhaban Than sentiu, ban sur sentiu, ka pendeng sentiu kena, penriam penbet, pensat, penruai, bat kum takayat. Ngatarai pinam sutu nambar ngalamare, nambar ngaong hap mare, kendai pau dikri ke jingkren jonga. Bangan pendep dia kata san minit saneng. Ten nambar kata ko kipat ba, jong kane ka dong jong ka Mawkyrwat. Kalau roy lapar hadu kane ki kena jongi mencua ki benon kam ya karut memory kam de ku menta ki benon kam ya ka teknologi memory haba ki ruai ki pendon kam ya la ka jong karut memory haba ki pule kot da ka root memory ya ka ba la ai do ublay Menta habang ipeki kena ki bamenta ngalale jarap ya ki hakit ki secondary school bat kumta ter haba ki lei ki ansan smen jongki ki pet la ka mobile ka depression jongki kena ki bamen berem ka de nadu try ka depression ki kena ki bamenta ka de ka mobile tena markata ko kilong kemi kilong pa Nini perkat hakini dipor namarba ka jingnang jingtip kan nang kiu irat seprang. Ni duairu nagabanta ka school jong kanati biti higher secondary school kan long ka job hadu lano.
Faculty, principals will see that contribution and will have a very, very deep sense of satisfaction to see what they have contributed to society. I once again congratulate the founders and all the faculty who have contributed to making this institute what it is today. Education, as we all know, is one of the most important pillars of society and of any nation. And expenditure and the money that is spent on education is more of an investment. And that is why in the last many years, it has been the endeavor of our government to ensure that we give utmost importance to education. The highest budget among all the departments is kept for education, amounting to more than 15% of our total budget. But in spite of all the funds and all the investments that we make, we have numerous challenges. Education has a lot of complications. It is not easy. We are trying our best to structure things. But as I was just speaking in the earlier program, when you have a problem in front of you, it's not easy to solve the problem in one go. I was comparing it to ironing a shirt. When you have a crumpled shirt, you take piece by piece and you iron the shirt, starting with the hand, the collars, so on and so forth. And similarly, this is what we are trying to do when it comes to education. I'm not saying that it's a mess. All I'm saying is that it is complicated. A lot of challenges are there. And hence we need to work in a very, very structured manner to slowly and steadily iron out the different crumples that are there. And hopefully, in the process, one day we'll be able to reach to the point that we all desire to. In terms of education, apart from secondary, higher secondary, our government is very, very keen to ensure that different colleges and also higher education opportunities are given to our students. Just yesterday, we have approved the sanctioning of Science and Commerce stream in Sora Government College, William Nagar Government College, and also in Bakmara Government College. This is, of course, in line with the new education policy, where we are ensuring that multi-disciplines and multiple streams are provided to our students. In the past couple of years, a large number of colleges which were run by governing bodies have been supported in terms of People's College. Sanction posts have been given to these different colleges, including here in Mawkyrwat. And also I can see Father Sunny, when he was in William Nagar, we had given to the Loyola College in William Nagar also the status of People's College. But I'm hopeful that slowly and steadily, with the interventions that are being made, we will be able to see a difference and improvement in the education sector. And I once again congratulate our principal and all the faculty for the wonderful education that they're providing in this school. I also would like to take this opportunity to share with all of you that we are putting a lot of stress on rural infrastructure in our state. I'm happy to announce that we will be taking up Weiloi to Mawkyrwat Road under the World Bank MITP 2 project of approximately 120 plus crores of funds will be sanctioned. The estimates or the DPRs are being made, but the road for this will be now extended or rather expanded. And I'm happy to, as I said, announce this road. I hope that by early next year, we should be able to tender it out. The funds have already been sanctioned, as you're aware. Only the DPR stage is left, and that's when we'll come to know the exact costing of the road. Apart from this major road connectivity that is required for Mawkyrwat, has been pending for a long time, I'm also happy to announce and inform all of you that we are pushing tourism like never before. We will be tendering out a small resort for development of tourism in Nongna, amounting to 25 crores. The DPR has been made. The tendering should be taking place in about maybe a month's time, and hopefully the work will be awarded right after that. And I want to share with you that tourism has got a huge potential, not just in Southwest Khasi Hills, but in our state as a whole. Another very important aspect of tourism which I would like to share is that the government has or is working towards involving the community. I'm thankful to the headmen, the Rangbashnong, and all the leaders and landowners who have participated and worked with us in Nongna, that they have partnered with the state government. The land belongs to the community, and it will continue to belong to them. We will construct this resort and give it to professional people to run it. And whatever profit that comes out will be shared with the landowners. And hence, the locality and the village and the Dorbar out there will benefit hugely and immensely from this partnership. To give you an example, we have completed this process for Shillong Peak, where the landowners and the Dorbar out there partnered with us. The land belongs to them. Government is investing close to 150 crores to put up the ropeway up to Shillong Peak. And in return for the land that they have agreed to partner with the state, the government is giving them 1 crore annually, every year, to the Dorbar as a share of the profit that the ropeway will make. And that money has already started being given to the Dorbar out there. And that is a partnership with which we are working. The same model is being followed in Nongna. We are also happy to announce that in Molunvir, where the our monoliths are there, we are also sanctioning infrastructure for 5 crores has been sanctioned for that too. And I'm happy to announce that the DPRs are being made, and the tender for that also will be done very, very soon. And similarly, in Jakrem also, we are keen to work with the society. We are still to finalize the land. I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to our local leaders and to the local headmen and the Dorbar. If we can work together, a beautiful model where we can share the revenue, develop tourism, and create economic livelihood and opportunity for the people can happen if we are able to conclude discussion. And I hope that we'll be able to finalize the details and the agreement for Jakrem also. And that is also something that we are really, really looking forward to. Hence, there is a huge push, as I said, towards tourism. And I personally believe that Southwest Khasi Hills can become one of the major destinations for tourism in the coming years. And that is the reason why we are investing on the infrastructure and also on the tourism circuits and the overall locations, so that we can develop the infrastructure in those areas. School has just completed 50 years, and therefore it is kind of a small token, you may say, that I would like to leave as a memory from our side, from my CM Secretariat side, for the building which they are making for the extension of the classrooms So I would like to announce 25 lakhs as a contribution from my side on this very wonderful day from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for the extension of the school building. I know it may not be enough, but Father, we will wait for another program when you invite me to give more funds later on. We should have a big vision. So 50 years have gone. I'm sure when the founders had started the school at that time, I don't think they could ever imagine that it would reach here. But it has reached to this point. But now the question is, where do we go from here? What is your next vision? Is this going to become a college one day? Is it going to become a university one day? Are you going to open up a center of excellence to be having maybe an agriculture college, which will be one of the best in the country? Maybe a tourism college, which will be one of the best in the country? I think you should dream big. I think you should have a large vision. I think you should have something that can be set for the next 50 years. And I really urge, not just you, Father, I think everybody. I was in the college program in the morning, and really I would urge the college. I was listening to their plans of having, I think, 80 acres of land for the college. 30 acres of land. And it's a great vision that you're having to build up, a large institute, because that's how organizations grow, that's how institutions grow, that's how countries and nations grow. And therefore I urge our principal, in my concluding remarks, to plan, not just look at the last 50 years, but learn from it and set the target for the next 50 years, or where you would like to see this institute reach. So I wish you all the very best. May God bless this institute. May God bless all the students and all the faculty members, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.